Hey folks, this is Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center, and we're going to talk about 3 things you can do to help yourself be successful in life. Do you define success as having a lot of money? Or do you define success as being able to live your life the way you want to? Either way, they are both good things to strive for. We all know not everyone can be successful, as there are checks and balances for winners and losers. I truly feel most people want to be on the winning side. However, we always run into people that remain in the same place in life. Do you feel you are one of those people? Obviously, if you are a person looking and trying to better your life, you want to be on the winning side. Being successful can mean many things. My definition of being successful is accomplishing what you intend to do. For example, I always intended to have a family, and I know I have a great family. I consider myself very successful. Success does not mean to look better than the people around you. I feel it comes from within and how you perceive yourself and your life. Success is something that you do not have to show on a daily basis. Success is how you live your life. So here are 3 tips on being successful. Number 1, create a vision of yourself. Having a vision is the first and most critical step of any successful plan. Create a vision of what you intend to do. Write down how you want to see yourself 1 year from now. Think about how your life will look. Having a vision will help you focus on what you want to achieve. Number 2, take up good habits and break unproductive habits. Always read and learn about the world around you. Think an opportunity through and do not be impulsive when an opportunity presents itself. Eat well and exercise. After all, everything you do starts from within. Be in good health and don't take your good health for granted. Add fitness to your life. Learn to handle distractions, as there will plenty of distractions to address. Don't use distractions as an excuse to fail. And finally, number 3, enjoy the chase. Enjoy your road to success. The path will be filled with adversity. Keep your sense of humor because you may experience very tough challenges along the way. Be responsible. Try and control your time by being as effective as possible. Remember, success is not free and it does take sacrifice. The price you pay is time and effort. Success is hard but rewarding, even during the chase for success. To be successful, you have to work hard, educate yourself, and maybe have a little luck on your side. Thanks for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube. And visit our website for quality ebooks, audio courses, HD video courses, and many more.